So to install our grill chasing kit, you actually have to gain access to the radiator area. On trucks, it's going to be popping off that grill. For this car, we actually have to take off the whole front bumper, which requires taking off a ton of push pins and some 10mm bolts. All right, now that the bumper's off, we're gonna center frame everything up. And the reason why I say center frame is the chasing starts from the center out, and we're gonna picture frame the entire grill. Okay, so with those tubes secured, we're actually gonna go ahead and pull our wire up to the controller and get the controller hooked up using an antifuse. Now before we put all this up and dress all our wires, let's go ahead and test it.